Alright, bag babes, at the home. This is the video for all home decor and all the fun stuff that you've been seeing. Make sure you give this video a big like, subscribe if you want to see more, and let me know down in the comments which one you're liking. Check it out, let's go. So
From the manager.
From different sizes. Is this, would you say, the Your Way rectangle?
Yes.
Same size, ladies. And let's see the magic. What did you just do?
Pop up the bottom and collapse it.
Yes, convenience. I love it.
Ladies, with the home decor, oh my gosh, look at the wicker. We were talking about it, and it's elevated. We got the blanket right here, but check that out. How cute is that? Okay, you guys check this one out too. Let's go behind. Like, they use like a large one right there for as a pot. Okay, and then we have this currently, but look how it blends well. We have a little mini one right here, great for all that fun stuff and accent to your shelving unit. Then we got that little wicker basket, and we saw how that collapsed. Love all this. So looks great. So again, if you're loving everything that you're seeing, you know the best part is to join in the pink bubble. Think about becoming a consultant yourself. I'd be honored if you decided to join with me or one of the amazing people on Team Possible. This is what you're gonna get, and there's so much more. And again, also insiders, if you want to host a party or if you want to just shop, mystery link is down below for you guys to get in on entry on all the good fun. Now, don't forget Basketweave TV every Saturday, and if you want more, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big like, and comment down below. Here's some playlists to check and more fall stuff coming your way.